toolbar in Photoshop, I will create a design here. So let's make the selection. Within that, I will edit only that selected bar. So we have to use the distort, make a structure, and stick visual there. So we will use the dark light intensity as well. So we are making the design here. Use the curve as well. We will edit the designs.